Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Dear student, this is our third English online lecture for class 3. In our today's lecture, we learn the past simple tense. Okay student, today we learn the past simple tense. What is past simple tense and when we use this tense? Okay, now let's start to discuss the tense. We use the past simple tense to talk about actions and situations in the past. उर्दू में पहचान, इस टेंस के उर्दू फ़िक्रात के आखिर में अलीफ, छोटी ए और बड़ी ए आते हैं। सब्जेक्ट के साथ वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म लगाते हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी डिस्कस द पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस, वी डिस्कस द नेगेटिव सेंटेंस एंड वी डिस्कस द इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस ऑफ पास्ट सिंपल टेंस। बट फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस द पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस ऑफ दिस टेंस. To discuss the positive sentences, first we learn the formula of positive sentences. In past simple tense, we know that, dear students, every sentence start with the subject. In past simple tense, after subject we use the second form of verb and then we use object. For example, मैंने दूध पिया. I drank milk. In this sentence, have you noticed, dear student, we use second form of verb. Drank is the second form of verb. Our second sentence is Ali ने सेब खाया. Ali ate an apple. Ate is a second form of verb. तुमने मैच जीता. You won the match. Won is also the second form of verb. Okay students, now we discuss the negative sentences of past simple tense. In negative sentences, सब्जेक्ट के साथ did not और first form of verb लगाते हैं. In past simple tense, we use did in negative and interrogative sentence. Okay student, now we discuss the formula of negative sentences. The formula is, first the sentence start with the subject. After subject we use did not and then first form of verb and at the end we use the object. For example, मैंने झूठ नहीं बोला. I did not tell a lie. In this sentence we use did not and use first form of verb. इसने सबक याद नहीं किया. He did not learn the lesson. Okay students, now we discuss the interrogative sentences of past simple tense. In interrogative sentences, the formula is, first we write the date at the start of the sentence, then subject and first form of verb is used and at the end we use the object and place a question mark sign. For example, क्या तुमने सवाल हल किया? Did you solve the sum? क्या इसने दवाई ली? Did he take medicine? Okay student, I hope you understand this sentence. Okay student, now open your book page number 14. Our unit number 3 is past simple tense. Okay students, now we translate the sentences. फर्स्ट, आसिफ ट्रैवल टू हिज अंकल. आसिफ ने अपने चचा के घर का सफ़र किया. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट टू ट्रांसलेट द सेंटेंसेस. ही रोड ऑन हिज बाइसिकल. वो अपनी बाइसिकल पर सवार हुआ. ही प्रेस द डोर बेल. उसने घंटी बजाई. द आंट ओपन द डोर. चची ने दरवाज़ा खोला. आसिफ मेट हिज कज़न. आसिफ अपने चचाजाद से मिला. द आंट सर्व दैम लंच. चची ने उन्हें दोपहर का खाना पेश किया. Then they did their homework. फिर उन्होंने अपना स्कूल का काम किया. Okay student, first we translate these lines into Urdu. Okay student, now it's a time for a question. Which form of verb used in this sentence? Dear students, we know that our unit is past simple tense and in past simple tense we always use second form of verb. Now we underline the second form of verb from this sentence. The first sentence is he rode on his bicycle. In this sentence second form of verb is used and rode is a second form of verb. Our second form of verb is pressed, opened, met, served and did. They are all second form of verb which is used in this sentence. Okay students, we translate the paragraph. You can read the unit by your own. Now open your book page number 18. Dear students, this is the exercise of this unit. The exercise part B is change the following sentences into negative and part C is change the following sentences into interrogatives. You can practice these sentences at your home. Dear students, I hope you understand my today's lecture. Now it's a time to say Allah Hafiz, stay safe.